Online learning assessment form. Standard fields. Text input fields. HTML view fields. The HTML view field is used to write text, questions, or instructions for the students. To edit the HTML view, click the blue pencil icon. Under the Label tab, input the title. The font, size, and color of the label can be edited according to your preference. You may also use the sublabel text to type additional instructions. Encode the body of your text in the Input tab. You may also copy and paste the content from your local file. The size, font, and color of the text can also be edited. To add web links, highlight the text you wish to link it to. Click the Link button in the Input tab. On the pop-up window, paste the URL on the space provided. Select New Window for the target. Click OK. Go to the Marking Guide tab to input the task marking guide. You may also copy and paste the content from your local file. Enable Show Marking Guide to view the marking guide on the Design field. Click Save Form to save the changes. Single text fields. The single text field is used for the student to input short answers. Click the blue pencil icon to edit the field's properties. Turn off the Show Block toggle if you have no label to input. Add the Marking Guide in the Marking Guide tab. Edit as necessary. You may add as many single text fields as necessary. The single text fields are required to be answered by default. If you wish to remove this, go to the Validators tab and unclick the required button. Multi-text fields. The multi-text field is used to input paragraphs in the answer field. These fields can be added as many times as needed in the template. To edit its properties, click the pencil icon. The label and sublabel text can be used to input titles or instructions. Otherwise, turn the Show Block toggle off if you intend to leave it blank. Add the task marking guides in the Marking Guide tab. Edit as needed. Go to Validators and unclick Required. This will disable the default setting requiring an answer for the input field. HTML input fields. The HTML input field is used to input longer answers which can be edited and formatted. The student can use bullets, change text colors, and edit the HTML format of their answers. Click the blue pencil icon to edit the field's properties. You may use the Label tab to input questions. You may also leave this blank by turning off the Show Block toggle. Add the task marking guide in the Marking Guide tab. Edit the text as needed. Set up the remaining HTML input fields. Under the Validators tab, unclick the Required button. This will remove the default setting which requires the field to be answered. Click Save Form when done.